CapCut was released exactly April 10th, 2020, and up until that time till now, CapCut has been relevant and been the most used editing app in the whole world. Why this? CapCut is very easy to navigate and the app is simply marvelous with wonderful feature. I am a proud user of CapCut, and up to this day I've been using CapCut for 2 years now, and for one day it has never failed me. CapCut has brought in new feature that will help content creator cope in that copyright issues they do have. If you want to know about this feature, keep on watching this video. You will definitely see the importance of this feature in editing. Hello guys, my name is Donna and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and I upload videos on personal improvement, how-to videos like this one, and vlogs. If it's your first time of coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I post a new video. I'll always ask you to subscribe because I feel value-packed educational videos just like this. And if you're doubting me, please go through my videos, you will learn something. In today's video, I will be talking about the new feature CapCut just released in their app, and I don't know if this feature is on their PC or on their website, but I definitely know that it's on the mobile app because I use the mobile app. I stumbled upon this feature when I was editing a video for TikTok last week, and I decided to share this feature with, of course, my sprinkles. And this marvelous feature is called the copyright check. I don't know if any other editing app have this feature yet, but I'm sure CapCut has done a marvelous job to include this feature in their app. As a content creator, we know the struggle to get a perfect song that is free from copyright. Nobody likes to go through the issue of editing your video and placing your songs the way you want it to be and uploading the songs, and what you see is copyright strike. Oh god, I hate it so much, just the way you hate it. And now CapCut to the rescue. They come up with a feature called the copyright check. This is to check any copyright music or sound in your video before uploading. Isn't that wonderful? That is so much of a good news. And when I discovered this feature, I was jumping and I couldn't wait to share it. Without much rambling, let me show you how and where you will find this feature in their app. Open CapCut app, go to your new project and upload the videos you want. Then you can insert the music you want, just like so. But if you have a video already and you want to check if it has copyright issue, you just click on the video. After editing, now the next thing is to add your music. Then you go to audio. When you get to audio, you see other options. You see the new feature there, copyright check. See the way I'm smiling talking about this feature because I am so happy. You click on copyright check and it does the processing to check if this video has copyright issues, and that is it. After doing all the processing, it will definitely show you if it has a copyright check. But in this video, it doesn't have any copyright issues because I've already uploaded this video to TikTok and there was no issues. Lately, this music in this video is free from copyright issue. If you do this after editing, after adding all your music, and you do this copyright check, it's going to tell you the music that has copyright, and at that point you can remove that music before saving that video and uploading it on any social media you want to upload it. Isn't this wonderful? It saves you the stress of already putting in your music, then uploading it on your social media. Then if it has a copyright issues, you have to mute that video or bring it down. But CapCut, with this feature, CapCut have saved you that stress. You can check the copyright issues there and there in the app before saving and uploading. It's up to me to get information for you, and it's up to you to use this information and give me feedback and tell me what you think about it. If you're going to use CapCut and try this feature, please let me know in the comment section and what you think about this feature, if it worked or if it didn't work for you. To help this channel grow, Please give this video a huge like. If you have any question, definitely leave a comment. I love interacting with you guys. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, this is the right time to subscribe because I know you had value in this video. Please subscribe and click on that notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Please stay safe out there, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye guys.